How do you switch lawyers for your personal injury case in Florida? Now, the reality of the situation is that not every client and not every lawyer get along in every case. And unfortunately, this situation happens from time to time to every single lawyer. Now, we hope it doesn't happen very often for us, but again, the reality is you simply just don't connect with every single client in every case. So what do you do in a personal injury case if you're dissatisfied with your lawyer, or you've just simply found a lawyer or a law firm that you think would be a better fit for you? Well, here in Florida, we do allow for the transfer of lawyers to handle your personal injury case, and that goes for any type of contingency type case. So if it's a premises liability, a slip and fall, a car accident, a trip and fall, auto accident, motorcycle accident, truck accident, it really doesn't matter. So what happens, and many clients just simply don't understand this, is that the Florida Rules of Procedure, under Florida Rule, I think it's 4-1.5, it allows in every single case you to reconsider your lawyer within 3 business days from the date of signing of the contract. So if you find another lawyer within that time frame, you can cancel your contract with your personal injury lawyer as long as you do it in writing. So what many of the people who come to us, they find us online, they see our reviews, they think, wow, this law firm's way better than the person that I hired already. When they come to us, they'll simply submit an email or fax over some type of notice to the previous law firm within that 3 days, and they're off the hook with the contract. Now, if you have had a previous lawyer that you're dissatisfied with and you want to change, and it's after the 3 days, again, you can do that in writing. You just simply submit a letter, but there are different repercussions to your new lawyer. So if it's after the 3 business days, your old lawyer can assert a lien against the recovery in your case. Now, for your purposes, it really doesn't affect you. It just comes out of the 1/3 that you would normally pay anyway. So there's no harm to you. But whatever the attorney's fees are, say, let's just use $30,000. Say the case is worth $30,000. The fee is 1/3, so that's $10,000 to the lawyer. And the previous lawyer had a lien for $2,500. Your new lawyer takes $2,500 out of his $10,000 and pays off that lien. And that's basically a lien for whatever time they've had in the case thus far. Now, there's one caveat when it comes to transferring lawyers. If you have terminated your previous lawyer for cause, in other words, they've done something that they're not returning your phone calls, they've made a mistake in your case, some type of cause that they are not entitled to a lien against that new lawyer. The reality again is if you've had a case for a long time, the lien is going to be pretty high. And most lawyers will not take over a case when it is stale. It's an old case because simply the lien is going to outweigh the worthwhileness of taking over that case. So, but if it's something that you've realized within the first few weeks that you want to switch personal injury lawyers, then you can do that, and most lawyers will then take over and pay whatever small type of lien there might be. So again, we hope that you have had a good relationship and a good result with your personal injury lawyer. But if you have not, these are really the rules and the procedures on how to switch law firms. If you are unhappy with the lawyer that you've chosen to handle your personal injury case, and you want to get a second opinion or talk to us and find out if we're willing to take over the representation, please contact us at St. Petersburg Personal Injury Attorneys, McQuaid and Douglas, for a free consultation.